Okay, so I finally got this little stupid look. Next up is this guy. You can see I've turned the... Oof. God, the more I fuck with it, the more this doesn't work anymore. I think I'm kind of taking it out at the very last minute here. Anyway, needle bar. Let's see if I do... Oh. I do... Yeah, you can see that. That, basically. That's... There you go. You can see. Anyway, down here, there's a screw. I need a thinner. This guy? This guy. If I take this screw out, not most of the way out. Oh, this was not nearly as hard as the other one. So this is why the little thing had to come out, because otherwise you couldn't have gotten that out like that. So here's my needle bar. A very complicated little thing. Big fat shout out to the Vintage Sewing Machine DIY Repair and Restoration Facebook group who got me a PDF of the service manual, which just talked me through that and then how to replace it. Doesn't actually talk much about how to get this whole assembly apart. So there's that. See, that's it. It's attached to all that. Is that a screw? I feel like that's not a screw. That's a screw. How the heck am I supposed to get at that screw? Oh, what the heck? Huh. Well, needle bar is out.